Let's be honest, those oops moments happen to all of us. We all know that sometimes things don't go exactly as planned with our sewing projects. Maybe a seam went astray, or we accidentally joined two pieces that shouldn't be together. Today, we're talking about the seam ripper, your essential tool for fixing those little hiccups. It's not just for mistakes, it's a valuable tool for alterations and refining your work. Let's get to know our tool. This is a seam ripper, also known as a stitch ripper. We have the handle for control, the sharp point for picking stitches, the J-curve blade for slicing, and most importantly, the red ball. This red ball is crucial for preventing the sharp point from digging into your fabric. It acts as a buffer, preventing accidental tears. Remember, a dull blade can cause damage, so replace it when needed and always use the protective cap when storing. For delicate fabrics, turn to the wrong side. Use the sharp point to slice stitches every ½ inch. Then flip and gently pull the thread. Remember, some fabrics, like leather, won't recover from stitch marks. For pre-made garments, turn to the right side. Gently pull the fabric to expose a stitch and carefully cut it with the J-curve. Be gentle to avoid snagging fibers. Now, the red ball. This is your fabric's best friend. Turn the ripper so the ball faces the right side. Slip it under the thread and cut. This minimizes the risk of poking your fabric. Always keep the ball resting on the fabric to prevent damage. Slide cutting is faster, but riskier. Use it only on stable fabrics. Position the ripper and gently pull the fabric to slice. Clean up any loose threads. Seam rippers aren't just for mistakes. They remove basting stitches, trim loose threads, and open buttonholes. For buttonholes, use pins at each end to prevent overcutting, then carefully slice with the sharp point. And there you have it, the seam ripper. It's your reliable tool for fixing mistakes and refining your projects. Use it with care, and it will become your best friend. And remember the red ball for fabric safety. What are your unpicking tips? Share them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing tips.